So we did the tune-up, and I believe I found the problem for your hard start. It fired off, and then it quit, and then I heard something hit the bilge, and this bolt shot over there by the shaft log, and was laying about right in there. And I picked it up, and I was like, that looks like distributor, where we locked it down. So you can see that there's a little tail hanging out back here. That's actually where it's stripped. Strip that out. And you can see the distributor's popped up, and this is actually crooked. So the bolt was, this bolt would have had to have been in here crooked as well. Wasn't sitting flat against the distributor adjustment. So that's probably, you were probably out of time. And it's probably, I would venture to say that that was the reason behind your hard starts. So anyways, we're gonna pull number 1 out, find TDC, get it back in time, and then
Yep.
we'll have her going again.
Yep.